everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about XEM coin, friends. What's the price since goes in XEM coin? As you know, a lot of people want to buy XEM coin because they give us a good profit. As you can see here, if you look at the price of XEM coin, so the price is very low. If you look the change occur in XEM, so only jump occurs in XEM coin from the previous last 3 days, as you can see here, friends. So before starting this interesting video, in this video I will show you the next move of the XEM coin. So kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video, friends. As you can see here, the current price of XEM is about 0.282405 USD dollar is the current price, and the change occurs in the last 1 hour positive, last 1 day absolutely positive, and last 1 day negative, 7 days, one week negative, friends. But now yesterday they take a high jump, that is why it's a jumping time of XEM coin are again starts now, friends. Now, friends, as you can see here now on the screen, that is the last 1 day price change occur in XEM coin. As you can see here, positive 20.01% change occur in XEM in the last 1 day, and the high price is about 0.29325 USD dollar is the high price of XEM coin, and the last 1 day, friends. If you look at the current price at this time price of the XEM coin as about 0.282405 USD dollar is the current price of XEM coin, friends. If we do a technical analysis of the XEM coin, what's the next move comes in the XEM coin, so absolutely it is clear for us. Now let's suppose that is a support level. Let's suppose that is a support level, and that is a resistance level. So I think they can move upward, friend. As you can see here, at this time they have no they don't want to fast down, only they are ready for a jump. As you can see here, if they want fast down at this time, so they comes after this, but they want to break the resistance level. So I think the big move occurs in the XEM coin in the future because they want to break the resistance, friends. So I think 70% chances to the move upward, friends, and 30% chances to the fast down, friends. So what's your opinion about XEM coin? If you are a holder of XEM coin, so please hold your coin with the last of this month. That is just the beginning of jump. Please wait for last hour and wait for a big pumps of XEM coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.